Please remember, January to the middle of March, we have about 11 cases of suicide. And iba-iba po yan na cases. Meron family problem, meron love problem, financial problem, meron din education problem. Kasi yung na-depress sila because sometimes masyadong maraming assignment na nag-ipon-ipon and yung bata natatakot din na bumagsak. So, we have about several causes of these suicide cases. But I'm proud to say that when we started creating yung SafeNet and creating awareness to all the people that we can reach, this was conceptualized by a team from the DOH, R1MC, andun sila Dr. Jaja, and then of course DOJ, andyan ang mga prosecutor, Justice Zone, and andyan ang simbahan, and andyan yung different sectors ng Dagupan City. After that, nag-start na po tayo ang Women's Center, Teen Center, and the City Health Office. So, hindi po tayo humihinto until we reach our target. Actually, we're targeting 20,000 people to be involved. As of now, maybe we could have 10 to 12,000. And still counting. Bukas po, and mamayang hapon yata, I think it's tomorrow, meron din parang program ang DOH together with R1MC, and they are also targeting 150 of Maarong Ina every day until they reach also 450. So, I think all have been said. Please help us